This tutorial centers on stylizing images to resemble painted artwork. Begin by applying the oil paint filter and adjusting stylization, cleanliness, and bristle detail. Enhance this with a custom brush set to low spacing. Paint across key contours to reinforce brush textures. Add adjustment layers to reintroduce subtle contrast lost during the stylization process. To enrich depth, add shadows using multiply layers and highlights with overlay layers. Overlay a canvas grain texture to enhance the illusion. Tweak blending modes until it feels convincingly painterly. Save at high resolution for prints.